Gartec lifts repair, servicing and maintenance. Gartec Lifts has been at the forefront of the platform lift industry for over 20 years, and are the UK's leading supplier and installer of platform lifts. As a founder member of the European Platform and Stairlift Association, EPSA, and member of the Lift and Escalator Industry Association, LEA, Gartec takes a leadership role in shaping the industry. The Gartec 8000 is a compact hydraulic lift system with the look, feel and style of a conventional passenger lift but reduced cost, time and maintenance. With key stretcher lift, bed lift, bike lift sizes, ideal for hospitality and medical locations as well as car park lifts and similar, the 8000 is a versatile commercial access option. Transport stretchers and bikes between floors with ease using the Gartec 8000 hydraulic stretcher lift. Easily takes an emergency services stretcher, and can be tailored to your building design or requirements. Fully compliant, and with great safety features and design options, the 8000 is a fantastic commercial access solution requiring minimal building works and disruption. Their other passenger platform lifts are designed and manufactured by their award-winning parent company, Aritco Lift AB, in Sweden, meaning the best in efficient and clean design. Our quiet and safe nut and amp, screw operation system, range of safety features and quick, modular design make our access lifts ideal in all home and commercial environments. Our service response time. If something is wrong with your Gartec or Aritco platform and accessibility lift, you can always contact us for service support. Our cross-Europe network, and in-house team of engineers and technicians have many years of experience. Our knowledge and experience mean a lot to our customers. We understand the importance of keeping your lifts in service, especially those providing accessibility. We pride ourselves on our response times. We answer your calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We will assist you in the event of an unexpected lift failure with initial phone consultation, directly with a trained technician, and always aim to follow through with a same-day visit to fix the problem and have your lift back in service in the quickest possible time. Service agreement. When you buy a lift from any manufacturer, we always advise to get a service agreement with an experienced and professional service company. We offer several simple-to-understand client-focused agreements with different service levels to meet all types of needs. Common to all service contracts is that they guarantee reliability and extend the lifetime of your lift. Servicing your elevator regularly is integral to long equipment lifetime and trouble-free operation. Are you interested in a service agreement? Contact us and we'll tell you more. Spare parts. As we specialize in platform lift servicing across many global lift brands including Gartec and Aritco. Our well-established network provides immediate access to all Gartec and Aritco platform and accessibility lift spare parts, keeping response times fast, and resulting lift downtimes low.